if you are from zero knowledge in the sense, regarding IT, you don't know anything. If you don't know anything, first you have to join in technical course actually. I will tell you what do you mean by technical course. And if you already know some technical area, then the second point will be internship program. Join internship program actually. Then I already know the especially the technical course. I understand how the technical course is moving on. Then regarding the internship, I do have a doubt actually. I do have a doubt regarding the internship especially. Okay. One small point. Let me, so there are few students, 2 to 3 members, they're texting me as my voice is not clear. I'm wondering what about others. I'm sorry for disturbing again and again. All right. Thank you. My voice is pretty clear. I'm sorry who are all facing my voice's issue. Maybe kindly please rejoin, sir. I request you kindly please rejoin the session actually. Rejoin the session. Okay, good, good. Let's move on. Team, come and listen carefully. My senior suggested 2 things. One is either if you are from zero knowledge, hey Daniel, if you don't know anything about the IT course actually, if you are having kind of some zero knowledge, then go for technical course actually. Go for what exactly? Technical course. Otherwise, I have some technical area. Then you can just try to go for internship actually. Then those days, I already having some technical skill actually. Then I'm looking for internship program. Then frankly speaking, even I don't know what is internship program actually. Then what I done, uh, what is internship, I started thinking about this one. Here and there I try to search where we'll get internship program actually. Those days I'm talking about in the year of 2010. I wanted to join his internship program, and where I can get internship program, I started searching actually. Right now, listen carefully. Let me tell you what is an internship. You will get an idea. Then I started searching what is an internship. Any idea what is triple W? Can somebody respond actually? I'm following the chart. I wanted to see the response from everybody. What is triple W? Very good. Onkar, Prasanna, very good. Onkar again. Charan, Shruti, Rohan, Ashwini, Akhil, very good. Almost many responses we are getting. A boss, it's a very simple definition. Triple W means World Wide Web actually. Absolutely valid definition. I will accept actually. But let me tell you, there are 3 Ws, right? Regarding the today session, these 3 Ws I can convert into like exactly like this actually. W number 1, okay. W number 2, W number 3. The first W I can talk about what is an internship. Okay, interesting. The second one will be why to join an internship actually. This is seriously one more interesting point actually. Once I understand what and why, it's the right time we need to understand about where this internship it is helping for us actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Hope you understanding. Now I'm going to cover especially what is an internship and why to join actually, and where internship it is going to helpful. You will get an idea actually. Yeah. These are all main questions. Kindly please understand this one actually. Right. Good. Let me tell you, team. The point is important. What is an internship? An internship is a professional learning experience. Listen carefully. This point is important actually. Whenever you're asking about Daniel, can you do let me know what do you mean by internship? So simple, I would like to say it's a professional learning experience actually. Okay, we are learning the course and in terms of the professional courses actually. And second point is important, team. Team, the second point is important. Kindly please make a note actually. What is the second point? It's a practical work actually. Wow, interesting. Towards student career path. Now this point is important actually. Any one of you are may having a kind of some doubt. What do you mean by practical? It's a kind of some we are learning. What exactly we are learning? At the same time, we need to do. I mean to say that learning and doing actually. That's what you need to be understand. If anyone is asking today, can you talk with me? What is an internship? Means simple definition. Internship is a practical oriented approach actually. Now, if you want, I can cover what is the course oriented and what is the internship oriented actually. In internship, we can cover more on project oriented discussion. That's what you need to be understand actually. And if anyone is looking for, hey, I don't know any kind of course actually. I have a zero knowledge today. I don't know anything. Then it's a right time. You can try to choose for course especially. That it will be helpful. From Naresh IT, we are offering many courses, and our admin can reach you if you're looking for any kind of course actually. Now, I wanted to hear from you. Are you clear till now? Can I get a response from anybody? Can I get a response from anybody? Are you clear? Yeah, many responses I'm getting. We are very clear. Thank you. Thank you. What about others? Sir, few guys are sleeping. All the best for your career actually. Please. I'm just kidding. Please listen session carefully. Few guys joined online but sleeping actually. Please. Yeah, let me drink water. Yeah, good. We are good to go. We are good to go. I'm sure you understand very clearly what is an internship means. It's a professional learning experience, and it's a practical oriented approach actually. I can talk regarding this one more and more, and we are learning and doing. This is seriously amazing. So this is not like a only theoretical sessions actually. We are learning and at the same time we are doing. That's what you need to be understand actually. Okay. Hope you understand, team. Let's move on. It's a one more time. I remembered one thing actually. When I was thinking about the internship, I seriously remembered one thing. Let me tell you. Go back to my college days. Even your college days also same. When I was doing MCA, I already told right when I was doing MCA. MCA in the sense in the year of 2007, 3 years actually. But nowadays it is 2 years. I'm talking about in the year of 2007. Total 3 years means total 6 semesters actually. Many of the students the college days will be daily we used to attend the classes and learning subject. Now please focus actually. So generally in our college days what exactly happened, so for to get attendance, this is the first point. We used to attend the classes regularly, very good, and we used to learn the subject parallelly. We used to learn the subject what exactly parallelly. Now team, let me tell you, there is one small surprise whenever you are in the whenever we are in the college actually. What is that surprise? The point is, frankly speaking, suddenly faculties will tell, the syllabus is over actually. Yeah, exactly. 75% of the attendance really important. And so I'm not pointing any other faculty. No, they can run up with the syllabus. Frankly speaking, due to that run up with the syllabus, once the syllabus is done actually, now it's exam time. It's what exactly, sir? Madam, what exactly exams time actually? Now the second challenging is for us how to prepare exam actually. How to prepare exam. Now do not disturb. Why? Because it's exam time actually. Now even team, look at my screen. This is seriously interesting. Even I was in the category universal exam preparation pattern. There is one of the best pattern everyone knows very well, I guess actually, who are all joined for today's session. One day exam preparation. What is that one, sir? Come on, everybody talk actually. Even we are experts actually how to study one day before exam. There are some expert. Hey, this is not my picture, sir. Please, I'm just trying to kidding. This is not my picture actually. Please make a note on this one. Right? Yeah, we done these are all things, but let me tell you, even I have done that one. Now the next point will be results time. Syllabus over, exams written. It's a right time for result actually. What is that result, sir? Frankly speaking, luckily, it's luckily I got qualified in my all semesters actually. But still, this point is really important. Though even I'm wondering how I done qualified actually, but still this point is important. Still, I have feeling like somewhere I missed practical oriented learning. This point is very, very important actually. Even though I done my semesters, but still I feel like, boss, I miss something. Practical oriented learning actually. After semester, another challenge is what exactly in a project. Now think about this one, everybody actually. This one is a project discussion. Frankly speaking, first point, exams I qualified actually. Very good. But something like I'm feeling very low, practical oriented I'm missing actually. I'm from computer background actually, but I don't know how to write a C, C++, Java programs, these are all. But the next challenge is a project actually. Team, what happened, till now, are you clear? Till now, are you clear or not, sir? Come on, please respond, everybody. Team, I need one response. Come on, I request you, please, everyone. I wanted to see the response from every one of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Yeah. Very good, very good. All right, all right. Thank you. Now, after semesters, another challenge is a project actually. Now, during the project, this is again one more surprise. Let me tell you, in my career, what exactly happened. This is exactly how I have submitted my project in my college. Sir, come on. Let me be frank actually. This is exactly happened in my career. I am talking about my career. I am not pointing anyone actually. You know what? How I have submitted my project actually? How I have submitted my project, myself and friends booked ticket to Hyderabad location actually. you know, we reached one institute, and frankly speaking, we paid some money. This point is important actually. And we got project documentation. Interesting, we got a project documentation, and not only documentation, project code also, and not only that, execution steps also. And just we paid money, we got a project. These are all things. But frankly speaking, you know what, I never touched my code actually. I don't know what kind of code it is available inside of that one. Now successfully I have done my MCA. Successfully I have finished my MCA actually. Now tell me, am I really done project actually? Am I done really project? I'm sorry for saying no. Can I get a better job? Extremely, frankly speaking, no sir. Team, this is very very important. If you really wanted to get a better job actually, better, the job direction is like this, but our practical oriented direction is like this actually. Both are in different dimension, like a east and west actually. This is what you need to be understand, you know so hope you understand. So then, now this is the right time. Let me talk about what exactly, uh, theory as implementation. Theory is what exactly? Implementation. Let me talk about this one. Hold on, please. If anyone is asking internship program, can you please explain actually? This is just a kind of some starting introduction I'm giving actually. Yeah. Explain about object. Imagine if I'm asking a question, can you please explain about object oriented approach? Can you please explain about what exactly object oriented approach? For sure, you guys can explain theory very easily. If I give 1 hour time also, I'm sure many of the students will explain about what do you mean by object oriented approach actually. If you don't know, that is okay. But I'm talking about who are all very well known actually. But let me tell you, do one thing, boss. Use object oriented approach actually. Try to build one banking application. This is a really challenging task actually. In our academic, mainly our focus will be finishing the syllabus, getting the certificates only. We are very busy in that category. We are very busy in that area. I'm not talking about 100 students actually. Imagine 100, 20 members out of 100 actually. Maybe 20 members are experts, sir. What about the 80 member students, sir? Our focus will be mainly focusing on getting certificates actually. For sure, 95 members, may fail to create the application actually. This is talking about practical oriented discussion. Here is the point you need to understand. What is that point? There is a gap. That's what you need to be understand. Yeah, left side is the theory, right side is the implementation. There is a exactly gap would have actually. Team, you know what? Because of this internship program, we are going to filling this gap actually. Ensure that, kindly please make a note. There is a gap in between theory and implementation. Will you accept or not, sir? Can you please respond actually? Am I right or not? Can somebody respond? Yes, exactly. I'm getting almost, almost 100 out of 100 correct responses actually. Exactly. Everyone is in the same category. See, Tim, let me tell you, I'm not pointing any academic system actually, but there is a process. That process will be, it's a right time. We done, especially if you are studying, you may not focus on implementation. Now it's a right time. You have to focus on what exactly, sir? Implementation. Tim, let me talk with you. College means, I'm sorry for saying, theoretical knowledge. If you are coming from especially college, we used to go to the college and we are coming daily. We used to go to the college and coming to the home, college and coming to the home. It is a theoretical knowledge. This knowledge literally helping us to get a certificate actually. But I'm sorry for saying, to get a job, that only theory, it is not enough actually. That's what we have to make a note on today actually. You know what? Theoretical knowledge helps in college to get the certificate. To get what exactly, sir? Certificate actually. Madam, internship work experience helps in company. I mean to say that, especially if anyone is talking about the college, theory we learnt actually, but I wanted to enter into the company, then definitely internship program, it is going to helpful for you. That's what you need to be understand actually. Now let me help you today regarding internship actually, regarding special internship. Now here I'm going to spend such a beautiful time actually. Please make a note. Till now, are you clear, team? I can spend just in another, few more minutes and I can help you. Yeah, very good. Sivanarana, thank you for responding. Akhil, come on, respond somebody. Ansari, respond. Yeah, good. Aditya, good. Team, In between, few students are asking questions actually. I'm sure I will help you. I can talk with you also. End of this session, I can take all your questions. Yeah, we are giving Java internships also. Wonkar, there is a question I'm saying, are Daniel, boss, are you going to provide Java internships also? From Naresh IT, would you have a almost all courses internships would you have actually? I'm sorry, sir. Yeah, Samuel. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Now let's move on. Let us enter into the discussion actually. This one is very, very important. Please focus on this one. Yeah. It's a right time empower your career with industry recognized internships actually. Get ready to understand. It is not like I'm repeating again. It is not like a college oriented internship. It is a industry recognized internships actually. That's what you need to be understand. So please make a note on this one. And there is a one point. I'm happy to share that experience real world learning with NASCOM and future skills prime. And get ready. And one more point will be Ministry of Electronics and IT, Information Technology, a kind of some certificate we are going to get. Team, this is Government of India. We have integrated kind of some certain organizations, and Ministry of Electronics and Information IT and Government of India, we are providing certificate from that actually. Get ready to understand. Now welcome to the future of learning, especially I'm talking about internship actually. So we have to start in such a way that we have to start our career with as I told you previously, learning by doing. What exactly? Learning by doing, then only you can get experience actually. Tim, let me tell you one small point I wanted to talk with you. If you wanted to build your muscle, I mean, I just wanted to go to the gym. Once if you wanted to build your muscle like a bodybuilder actually, once you go to the gym, then you have to practice with that equipment. We have to practice slowly by slowly actually. Just simply sitting at our home eating snacks actually, if you wanted to build your muscle, how come it is possible actually? Same thing like that, if you wanted to become good swimmer, you have to swim. Now today also, if you really wanted to get a better job in IT, first of all you have to hands on experience is really very, very important. Yeah, there is a one course I'm saying. We are providing certificate, internship certificate we are providing actually. I will help you. Even I have included that slide also. What kind of certificate we are going to help you actually, right? Yeah. I'm saying almost yes. I'm saying thank you, Prashant. It is really more demanding skills we are going to train actually, and especially experimental learning. It's not only learning, we are going to do kind of some use cases, experiments and POC. These are all things actually. More to the next one. Now it's the right time try to understand about understanding internship actually. Understanding what exactly internship, kindly please make a note. There are some questions I'm seeing. If pursuing students, currently I'm studying, can I take this one actually? Yeah, it is really good plan. If any pursuing students are available, you can just have to take over. It will be really helpful actually. Even this one I can talk later actually. Understanding about the internship, what do you mean by that one? It is a structured work. I mean to say that we have prepared the program in such a way that all of you students, you are going to understand very clearly. And as I told you, it's a professional way of learning, especially practical way of learning you are going to gain actually. It's not like only theoretical. It's a specific industry oriented program we have started. This one, it will be really helpful for your career to get a job actually. Yeah, if any one of you are asking a question, can you please highlight what are all the points we are going to discuss throughout the internship? Imagine what are all points we are going to get. And if anyone is asking question, kindly please make a note. These are all points are very, very important. Let me just try to walk through one by one. I will tell you what kind of certificate we are giving. I will tell you actually. Kindly please be patient. See, the first one, work experience. Team, this is important. You know, interns especially, we are going to contribute to real projects, task, responsibilities, POCs, and learning how the industry operates especially. Once you joined with us, we are going to guide you in such a way that end of the course, end of the special internship, you will gain experience, that to working experience actually. This is something like learn with us, enter into the company, you can start work directly. That kind of working experience you are going to gain actually. The second point will be, as I told the second point is seriously interesting. We done this one. The second point, mentorship actually. Team, let me tell you, on daily the sessions are going on. And it's not like we are leaving you, you have to practice from your side. It's not like that. And we are going to monitor you by using mentorship actually. We would have a separate mentors. That mentors, it will be helpful for you, to understand if you are having any technical question. And these are all questions we are going to help you actually. And next one will be skills development. This is very, very important. And from our session, you can literally get both skills. So what is the first one? Technical skills. This is really very good. And second one will be soft skills actually. First one is the technical skills. Second one is the soft skills. Team, come on, it's the right time. It's not only I'm speaking always actually. I wanted to hear from you. Are you following everybody? Can you please, if anyone is sleeping, please wake up, boss. Please. Good, we are good to go. We are really good to go actually. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, thank you. Now let's move on. Let's move on very quickly. Let's move on. Thank you for being your patience. And we are here. Skills development. When I say skills development, both we are going to cover technical skills and what exactly soft skills actually. The next one, network. Team, this is important. If you really wanted to enter into IT, the network is really very, very important. We do have a connections with the company in such a way that, as I told you, we do have a valuable connections actually. Almost our students are working in the companies. If they are having any requirement, they used to text with us, and we used to, help them to prepare the resume. These are all things to get a job actually, any company. Industry leaders, peers, and mentors actually. And career exploration. This is exactly what exactly, once you join with us, you can just try to explore your career in a different dimension, looking for especially different kind of courses that we are going to help you actually. Okay. So I hope you understand. Work experience you are going to gain. We are going to help you with the mentorship, skills development actually. I mean, you are going to train you in such a way that both the technical and soft skills actually. The next one will be networking. And we are networking in the sense, network we are going to build actually. And would you have a network? That network we are going to build along with you. Now the next point. Yeah, this point is important. If anyone is really looking for, after especially I done my education, I'm looking for IT job actually. Get ready. You have to launch your career from here. Especially, you have to launch your career with internship. That literally it will be helpful for you. Please make a note on this one. We are going to help you how to prepare a resume and make candidates more attractive to the employers actually. This is real interesting. We are going to help you with kind of some mock interviews also. The next one will be gain practical knowledge. Tim, let me tell you, I would like to talk one thing actually. As I told you, especially from Naresh IT, we are from Naresh IT, we can talk with program. Instead of, even I will explain about the theory. Not only theory, it is not enough actually. Practical knowledge is really important, that it is going to helpful for you, that you can understand very quickly before starting the sessions only. Okay. And you have to launch your career over internship, and we are going to gain practical knowledge actually. Increase employability. This is important. Best example, once you joined as a internship, then it may be converted into full-time employment actually. I hope you might aware about this one. When you join internship is in any company, that especially it will be helpful for you actually. Yeah, team, I'm seeing some question. At last, once the session is over, thank you for being patient. See, I really appreciate you. If anyone having any question, kindly please be patient. See, end of this session, I can give a time to talk with you, and I'm happy to help you everyone actually. I cannot run away. Thank you, thank you. I'm happy to help you actually. Is my voice is clear? I'm Daniel speaking from my side. Sony, thank you for responding. What about others? Yeah, please be on the line. Daniel from this side actually. Good, we are good to go. We are good to go. Team, this point is important. This question you have to get a clarify actually. Get ready. Daniel, can you do let me know what is the difference between internship and traditional job actually? Please make a note on this one. Whenever you are talking about the internship, I hope you might aware it's a kind of some short-term learning focused actually, and maybe either paid or unpaid. This is what many of the students are asking. There are some internships, it can be either paid or unpaid actually. Please make a note. Whereas traditional jobs come up with longer term employment and contract and responsibility actually. That's what you need to be understand. The difference between internship is a different and traditional job is a different actually. But luckily, if you guys selected for internship, and as I told you, this internship program may convert it into full time. That is really great, added advantage actually. That's what you need to be understand. All right, let me just try to move on to the next slide. Team, please, till now I'm sure everyone understand actually, but this next two slides are very very important, and please be focused actually. Please be focused. There are few points I'm going to highlight actually. Let me tell you, nowadays everyone stands in left side direction. I mean to say learner problem. All you guys are learners actually, and you guys may having this kind of problem. What is that problem? I will tell you step by step. I can walk through. That problem we are going to help you through our session actually. Problem number one: looking for a project development based on internship. Let me tell you, many of the students may not aware especially how to develop and dig a project actually, and I'm looking for project based internship actually. Let me tell you, if anyone are here any kind of some confusion, especially we don't know how to do these are all thing, get ready, we are going to help you. Especially this is what exactly project based learning. That's what you need to be understand. I'm repeating again one more time. Please make a note on this one. Many students nowadays I'm seeing, I used to train many of thousand students actually. They don't know what is exactly the project actually. Regarding the project discussion, they don't know. But when it comes to a project, they feel very, "Arey boss, what is a project and what exactly that project we need to do actually." Don't worry, we are going to help you through this program. Point number one, you are clear. Point number two: need a credible industry recognized certificate actually. This point is very very important. It's not like only you are learning the course, only learning the course. If you have to add one small line in your resume actually, I done so and so course. Along with that so and so course, if you have included kind of I do have a certified certificate actually. Many people don't you have a certificate, I guess actually. And even we are helping especially, please make a note, this is important. There are especially Ministry of, as I told you, Ministry of Electronics and IT, especially this certificate we are going to provide, and NASCOM future skills prime certificates we are going to provide. Team, this one is from government actually. That is seriously interesting, that we have to understand. We have integration, that one actually, right? And need revision of technical skills. Here let me highlight one point actually. What is that point? If any one of you choose an internship program, please make a note. This is not like, let me tell you, A to Z explanation. I mean to say, it is not like a course explanation. It is not like, so the chapter number 1, chapter number 2, chapter number 3, chapter number 4. It is not like a chapter wise explanation. Please make a note actually. I would like to say this one is called as a technical skills. We are going to help you with the revision. Please make a note on this one actually. If anyone is looking for, we don't know, especially technical skills, don't worry. We do have a full-time courses at Naresh IT. Those courses, it will be helpful. And if anyone already know actually, don't worry, we are going to help with kind of some revision. Please make a note on this one. And refreshing module wise self-paced learning actually, that we are going to help you. And I have a doubt in technical. If anyone having any doubt actually, don't worry, we are the point of contacts. We'll help you. Dedicated mentor support would you have. Dedicated mentor support, so lab session would you have. These are all things actually. Hope you understand these are all things very clearly. The next point will be, what is the next one? How to apply technical skills. This is important. Once you understand about special internship, and it's a right time how to apply. I already know the skills actually, how to apply. We are going to help you. Simultaneously, we are going to create a 3 to 4 mini, on an average, I can talk about 3 to 4 mini projects and POCs. POCs means what exactly? Proof of concepts. This is really helpful for you. Before joining any company, you should implement some POCs. It will be really helpful for you. This we are going to helpful for you especially. If you don't know this one, don't worry. You have to connect with us, then you have to upskill your career actually. That's what you need to be understand. All right. Now the next point, let me talk about this one. Having trouble understanding the real-time project requirements. Don't worry, we are here. Dedicated project explanation by industry experts actually. As I told you, would have a connections, so industry experts, they will explain about the project discussion. Need guidance to complete project actually. Yeah. It's not like, we will start and we will leave middle actually. No, it never happened till now. And this one is, I would like to tell one thing. This one is the starting point, this one is the destination actually. Trust me, trust us, we are going to help us actually, no doubt in that. Starting to ending actually, need guidance for the complete project discussion and want to showcase your project actually. Yeah, we are going to help you. A kind of some one more point, I'm sorry, let me just not rush into that. I'm sorry, let me explain. Demo to industry experts prices, to one the upload in a GitHub actually. Now who are all implemented really nice project, we are going to guide you. And few of people, if you really put your efforts, if you implemented the project in such a way that actually, get ready, you are going to get a prizes from us actually. And you have to upload your resume, I'm sorry, you have to upload your project in a GitHub and LinkedIn. And that GitHub project and LinkedIn profile especially, you can add on your resume actually. This is really great way actually. Please make a note on this one. And key takeaways, practical skills and industry recognized certificate, we are going to help you. Tim, I'm pretty sure these are all points you understand very clearly. With your better understanding, let me just try to move on to the next slide actually. These are all very quickly I can, yeah, many people are asking, right? Many students are asking what kind of certificate we are going to provide actually. What kind of certificate we are going to provide, please make a note. Certification from, please make a note, certifications from NASCOM we are going to provide. And future skills, NASCOM's future skills actually, future skills prime we are going to provide. Please make a note on this one. And real world projects, as I told you, it's a live environment projects actually. And real time projects we are going to, team, let me tell you, real time projects means real time project. It's not like a hello world examples actually. There is a lot of difference in between, left and right hand, same thing like that, hello world examples and real time projects, lot of difference actually, that we are going to teach you in such a way that you can easy to understand. Mentored by professionals, we do have a separate team. That team, it will be helpful for you, facilitated by the best in tech ed industry actually. Make a note on this one. And flexibility learning, this is really interesting. Let me tell you, Tim, can I tell one small point? This is seriously amazing point actually. Now we are from Hyderabad, Naresh IT. Few of you people, it is too difficult to reach Hyderabad location and learning, but let me tell you, there is a great window opportunity open for you guys actually. You guys can stand at your home only. You guys can sit at your home only. Over online mode, you can learn. This is really great opportunity. Trust me. Especially when I was done my MC in the year of 2010, this kind of opportunity we don't have actually. Please make a note. Try to utilize this opportunity. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. And build your portfolio, network, and improve. I hope I already covered these all points initially. Let's move on. Yeah, guys, please make a note. Through our session, we are going to help you with hands-on experience. Get ready. You will become expert in especially technical discussion and skills development. As I told you, there is the more focused area, cutting edge technology. Let me talk with you today. Especially, focused on demand, cutting edge technology, AI, data science, cloud computing, machine learning, Python. Team, let me tell you, with my whole experience I'm talking, the cutting edge technology, if you have chosen, I'm sure you will get the job very quickly actually. That literally, it will be helpful for your career. Being I'm a lead data scientist actually. Nowadays, almost all companies are using the data science. If any company is not going to use the data science, frankly speaking, that company in next 2 years we need to call as a legacy company actually. Legacy in the sense what exactly? It's a very old technology that companies are not upgrading with their skills actually. AI, Gen AI, these are all kind of some projects they supposed to use. Don't worry, we are going to train you. Data science, machine learning, deep learning, Gen AI, we are going to train you actually. Not only this one, mentorship, so kind of some support also we do have. And custom career roadmap. If anyone having any confusion, I don't know what course I need to choose actually. If you are in kind of some confusion, don't worry. We'll help you in a straight path actually. We'll help you in a straight path. Don't worry. Don't worry. We have a kind of some suggestions and guidelines we'll have actually. This point is important. Can I get a response? Are you with me till now? Please, I need one response from anybody. I need one response from anybody. Wow. I just asked one response. I'm getting shower of responses from many actually. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you guys. All right. Now this slide is very, very important. Come on, please make a note on this one. If you really wanted to join this program, get ready. There are some certain phases would you have. Phase number 1 and phase number 2. Let us read very, very, for your better understanding. In phase number 1, what happened, it's a quick brush up of your technical skills. As I told you, through our well-designed learner modules actually. As I told you, it's a kind of some revision discussion, technical. And one more point, second point will be POC. Kindly please make a note. These phase 1 and phase 2, it's a parallel mode actually. I'm sure you might have heard about the railway track actually. Am I right or not, sir? How the railway track it will be, it's a parallel mode actually. I'm sure if it is a page number 1, page number 2, it will go in a parallel dimension. Please make a note. This point is important. It's not like after page 1 we done page 2. No, no, no. It was not like that. Parallel actual. We will train you. Don't worry. How you will manage means we are here, boss. Don't worry. Would have such a experts technical team would have actual. Learn how to use technical skills to practical problem one at a time actually. Next one. Project name. I'm sorry. Section number 3, also called as a page 3 actually. Page 3 will be, what exactly, the page 3 will be. I'm sorry, let me drink water. I'm sorry, let me drink water. I'm feeling somewhat thirsty. Please. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Project work. Apply your learning on real-time project actually. Team, here we are going to give kind of some assignments, different projects, ideas actually. That you guys are going to help implement actually. That will help you how to implement also steps wise. It's a kind of some organized steps would you have. If you follow that organized steps template actually, I'm sure you will get a job, no doubt in that actually. Please make a note on this one. Mentorship and feedback. We are going to collect the feedback. It's a kind of some weekly feedback we are going to collect from you. Imagine there is some area you are very weak actually. Don't worry. We will not leave you at middle actually. We will help you. How to continue from where you are feeling very low. We will continue actually. We will continue. Technical help we can do. We are going to help you on this one actually. Right? Page number 1, 2, and 3. Sorry. Page number 4 will be project submission and evaluation actually. Once you have implemented the project, you have to submit your project actually, especially in a Git repo. And definitely the project evaluation will be done by industry experts. It's not like a mentors actually. You know what? Industry more experienced people, we are going to evaluate what work you done actually. And we are going to give suggestions also based on that. Then finally get ready. You are going to get the certificate. You are going to get what exactly? Certificate actually. Please make a note. One point I would like to tell actually. Hey Daniel, I can join the course. Can I get a certificate actually? I will not do phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4 actually. Listen my question carefully. Hey Daniel, I will pay the fee. I will pay the fee. I will join the course actually. I'm sorry, I don't have a time for page number 1 and page number 2 and page number 3 and page number 4. But I have a time to take the certificate of phase number 5 actually. If any one of you don't have a time to learn phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, I'm sorry for saying, even we don't have a time to give the certificate for you guys actually. I'm sorry. Did you understand my point very clearly? Hey, come on, man. If you really done really very good work on 1, 2, 3, 4, get ready. With very proud feeling we are going to give actually. Here we are going to provide the certificate. As I told you, we can evaluate and we are going to share your certificate actually. Team, in another just a few minutes. If you are you feeling boring actually? Let me get a response. Are you feeling boring? Are boss? Yeah, good. All right, thank you. I got really nice responses from everybody. All right, man. Thank you. Thank you. Good, good, good. Yeah, yeah. I'm sure I will not make you to feel bored actually. That's what, The next point. Let us just try to enter into next point. Industry collaboration. As I told you, we do have a integrated industry. We have a collaborated with the different companies actually, designed by the companies and industry experts. They ensure that you get the right experience of practical exposure. During the training itself, team, let me tell you, either the rice is prepared or not, you no need to eat the total rice actually. Initially, whenever you are attending the session, you can understand what is going on actually. I'm repeating again. Before you guys are getting registered, look at the few sessions, attend the few sessions actually, then you can decide that it will be helpful for you actually. We are in what mode you will understand very clearly. Yeah, kindly please make a note. As I told you, it's the self-phased learning. This is really amazing. This is really amazing actually. Why? Because, Daniel, I'm more interested. I don't have a time to attend the regular session. Then don't worry. Kind of some self-paced learning. You can just try to sit at your home and you can attend, access our course material, videos, assignments, and you have to do your free time actually. But get ready. You have to submit the project. We are going to guide you what kind of project we are going to submit actually. The next point. The next point will be, as I told you, live interaction. Who are all attending the session regularly, we will connect with you live interactions actually. Any kind of some questions and answer. Come on, this one is a very common. I no need to talk about, QA related discussion actually. We will help you. Why we will leave you with the off knowledge actually, off question. We never leave you. I'm sure we will help you with the, especially questions and answer discussion. Virtual collaboration. This program is designed as such in such a way that, kind of some, especially if anyone having any kind of, I'm unable to attend the session offline. Can I go for online actually? Come on, you can attend actually. That is really, it will be helpful for you. Assessment and feedback. Yeah. We are going to provide the assessments and the feedback collection also we are going to do. Ensure that please make a note on this one. The next one. Take the next steps in your career today. And these steps I can talk with you more and more actually. Kindly please make a note. And yeah, team, this one is very, very important. Till now, if you really understand the question, I'm talking about always, hey Daniel, certificate we are going to provide, certificate you are going to provide. What kind of certificate, if anyone having any questions actually, get ready, man. This kind of certificate you are going to get actually. In your resume, you have to include this at the first one, feature skills prime. This logo you are going to get actually. As I told you, Minister of Electronics and IT. Now, as I told you, I hope you can see this one actually. This we are going to share with us. And especially NASCOM certificate also. Along with that, the great Naresh IT logo also we are going to add here actually. And the certificate, your name and your university and student ID. This is really great way, sir. Frankly speaking, when I was learning kind of some IT courses, this kind of course is not available. Otherwise, definitely I can choose this kind of certificate actually. All right, you know what? And yeah, I'm sure we spend really nice time. And if anyone having any questions, there are some common questions would you have? There are some common questions would you have? That questions, let me answer you. You will get an idea actually. Come on, team. There are just a few minutes, so we are good to go actually. If anyone is asking what is the duration of internship actually, please make a note. Typically, the program, it can be depends upon you are choosing the course actually. Depends upon you are choosing the course. 45 days to 6 months actually. Hey Daniel, what do you mean by that? Imagine you have chosen only Python, then the course duration will be very small actually. But if you are choosing kind of some only machine learning, kind of some 2 to 3 months, you are looking for kind of some deep learning, then definitely, as I told you, it depends upon the course what you're trying to choose. Would you have a almost many internships would you have actually? Depends upon the specific technology. Is the internship is free actually? Let us make it very clear. Is the internship free actually? I'm sorry for saying, it is not a free. Now let me tell you one point I wanted to tell with you very, very, very clearly actually. Think like students. Imagine this is you. This is you especially. Imagine this you especially. Then definitely for you guys, what is required? Technical training is required. Imagine here we are actually. Think like, here we are. This is from Naresh IT. This is from what exactly? Naresh IT. Think like that. Now, in between, you don't have any skills actually. You are having the zero skills. First point, we are giving a training. Very good. Not only training, project oriented we are giving. Very good. The next one, not only project oriented training, certificates also we are giving actually. Definitely, we are like a bridge to help you. No, I'm sorry for saying this is not a free course actually. That's what you need to be understand, right? And please make a note on this one. The next point will be, we are supposed to collect the incidental expenses for facilitating the internship program. How do I get support during the program? You will have access the mentorship, regular feedback sessions, and career, peer support. Peer in the sense, kind of some especially, when you are learning mentor support, you will get very clearly. Can I get a daily help virtually? Yes, of course, we are helping you. Dedicated mentors we do have. You can interact with the mentor, dedicated and slot regularly actually. Should I submit the project? Yes, as I told you, I already explained very clearly. And you have to upload your project and you have to give the demo. And your source code will be evaluated by the industry experience. This is important. parameters set by NASCOM and FS prime. This point is important. Definitely, as I told you, would have a steps of template actually. The template have given by parameters set by NASCOM FS, kind of some future skill prime. Based on that, we are going to evaluate actually. Is certificate guaranteed for everyone? That's what I told actually. Is certificate guaranteed for everyone? No. You have to complete the project. Yeah, see, you guys are joining here to do the project only, right? If you are not doing the project actually, I'm sorry, we no need to talk about the certificate especially. And yes, we do have a kind of some submit it and score at least 50% in the demo. 50% in the demo. If you really achieved this one, come on, we are going to give the certificate actually. That certificate is more valuable. That certificate is really more valuable actually. Yeah, team, I'm sorry. Last 1 hour, if you are feeling boring, I'm extremely sorry. I hope you understand. It's the right time we wanted to hear from you actually. Yeah. Murthy sir, are you with us? Would you like to take any other points actually?
No,
Murthy
sir.
sir.
You can continue. Okay. So let's take the questions.
Yeah. Online team, if anyone having any questions, it's the right time. I can take up the questions actually. Just give me 1 minute. Let me drink water. I can help you on this. If anyone having, as I told you, I'm sorry. Is my voice is clear? Now it's the right time. Is my voice is clear? Please make a note and kindly please make a note this number actually. If anyone wanted to talk with admin, these are all. Please make a note on this. I need a response from one more time. Is my voice is clear? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And kindly please raise your hand if anyone having any question. I will give a access and you can talk with me. Murthy sir, is my voice is clear, sir? Would you like to add any points?
Yeah, it's clear, sir. Guys, I'll take your questions quickly. I'll answer. The internship is available in Java, .NET, yes, data science, data analytics, business analytics, all these things. And if you're a 2020 passed out, I would suggest you directly join the full-time course, guys, because this is specially built for people who are pursuing academics. Okay. Vanga Sagar, it is a paid internship. Okay, internship online mode is available. That's what we were trying to say time and again. Shraddha, the fee of the program depends on the project you select and the duration of the project. Okay, that's the reason we didn't tell the fees. Shruti, Python Leda, Shraddha, Python is there, ma. Okay, how many fees? How much? What is the charge of the internship for Java? It depends on the project, Omkar. Okay. Sandeep, my voice is not audible, or the no, whose voice is not audible? Please be specific. So we are giving you the link. Uh, no, Abhi, it's not a stipend internship. You have to pay the fees. I'm a Python full stack student. We need to pay. If you are a Python full stack student, you can take some discount concession for this internship. Okay. Only project fee you have to pay. Yes, Shruti. If you are already a student, you don't need to learn anything. Internship for yes, AI. That's what we were saying. A lot of takers are asking. Mohammed Sharik, internship for artificial intelligence is there. Yes. Okay. Python is also there. Ravi Dafal without training. Yes, if you are already trained, you don't need to take any further training. You can directly go for internship. Okay. DevOps internship. Vinay, DevOps with cloud will be there, not specific or not only DevOps. Okay. If you are interested, you can get in touch with us. No problem. We'll provide it to you. Python full stack, yes, Indu, Python full stack internship is there. 2023 postgrads, Shravanti, anyone can attend, but if you're already a postgrad student, I suggest you go to the complete course, because that's what will help you get a job. This is more of getting practical exposure only. We don't train you in this. Guys, I am once again repeating. This is a project based internship program. The focus is not teaching technology. Okay, it is about making you do a project. So the assumption is that you already know a little in technology. We refresh your skills and then make you do a project. If you don't know anything in technology, I suggest you take a course along with the internship. That's when you will be able to do the project. Okay, cloud computing duration, guys, I'm telling you everyone, the duration is not based on technology or platform. The duration is based on the The duration is based on the project, guys. Okay, just a guys, sorry, I'm taking the further other things. Data in DevOps internship is there. Around approximately how many can you say, Shruti? Okay, so the minimum duration will be 6 weeks, 45 days, and the maximum will be around 5 months. Okay, not more than that. I'm working. If I'm unable to attend, can I get recorded session? Priyabrata Sadapati, this is not a training session to get recorded sessions. Okay, this is a project work. You have to do the project. If you're already working and you can't spend time, don't join this. So web development is there, Mahesh. Yes. Mahananda Deshmukh, you're a Java full stack student, but passing. There's no point in joining this internship now, Mahananda. Okay. Time to join this internship. You can join this week, next week, whenever it is. No problem. So in this, yeah, Pallavi Chare will give you the results now. Okay. We are conducting more and more assessments, so we wanted to give it all together. That's the reason we didn't announce the results. Okay, Lavanya, you completed in 23. You are eligible, but why do you want to do it? Completed MBA, but I want to become data analyst. Can I join this internship? Dasari Mahesh, I suggest you first join data science course. That will help you get into analytics. Okay. Before doing internship, we definitely done any course, but also we paid any money for this. Hey, Akshay, you need to be a little specific, man. What is it? You need to do a course. If you already know technology, you don't need to do any course. Okay. If you don't know, you have to do it. Ravi Dafal, paid or not, sir, without training. Arey yaar, how many times we repeat the same thing? This project for the internship, you will have to pay the fees. Okay, can you share the fee details for each project? Sir, we have more than 800 projects. How much time do you have, Sakleen, to see all the projects and the fees? You connect with us. We separately show you the projects, and then you can do it. Okay. UI full stack, Kishore. Yes, we have courses. It's not a course again, guys. Mohammed Sajid. This is an internship program. Okay, it is online. I wrote exam in Naresh IT, Rajya. Let me for the internship. Yes, we'll give you the results, Rajya. Don't worry. Shraddha Solanki, you don't purchase a course, you join a course. Okay. Please check your wording once again. You joined a Python full stack course. Good. If you want to join this internship, you can join. How much fee can you say, Shruti? You're bugged up with one question, Shruti. You connect with us, okay? Pranati, attend exam based on internship. How much discount? Will Pranati, we are when once we display the result, you can see it. Okay, last month insurance. Okay, Shreyans, guys, I'm telling you this. Many people are asking the same question time and again. We are going to announce the results of the internship assessment test we have conducted, the talent test. Maybe in the next week we are going to announce the results. From based on the score you will get some discounts, or many people will get it free also. Okay. Next, Sheikh Arif Iqbal, pursuing DevOps with multi-cloud. Good. You can do an internship in that. And then Shubham, I have completed DevOps with AWS. Yeah, you can join the internship in that. College students can join. Ranita KR, I'm telling you, this program is specially for college students, ma. We are more than happy to have you here. Okay, Ranita, you can join us. I have basic knowledge and practice on HTML and CSS and JavaScript. Sir, only with JavaScript you may not be able to do a project, Sujin Ansari. Okay, it's better you do some framework before you get into this. I'm a student of data science from Naresh IT Tarun. Okay, yeah, you can take a project, Tarun, no problem. And Lohit, I completed my full stack development. Okay, you can join the internship, Lohit. Okay. Samir Kumar, which year passed outs are eligible? Typically, people who are pursuing academics, that means who are 25 passed outs, 26 passed outs, these people are eligible, guys. Okay. From where we get details of Python internship, our team will call you. You register in the link we are providing. Our team will call you and we'll show you the projects and we'll share you the further details. Nitin Reddy, the same answer goes to you, Madhu also. Okay. Radha Krishna, if you're already in a full stack Python student, good, but you'll have to pay for internship. But you can always talk to your admin team about the discounts, okay? The concessions. Mm, Training at 70, training and internship available. Yes, it is available. In the link, there is no Java subject. Oh, okay. I think there will be some web technology. Otherwise, there will be something called others. You select that, our team will call you. Don't worry. Sohail, my voice is not clear. I'm sorry for it. Others, I think I'm audible to you guys, right? Is there any NLP or computer vision project? Yes, it is there. Python full stack. Shruti, I'm not answering your question more because I answered 3 times. You're still asking the same question. I told you the fee will depend on the project you select. So please talk, you connect with us. They'll show you the projects, and based on that, they'll tell you. Okay, don't worry about that. Who are eligible for internship? Any college going student is eligible. Okay, no prerequisite, no percentages, nothing. Yogesh, online or offline, both is there. What is there in Chennai as the Sushri Das Mishra? I don't think you can directly get into Chennai. I would suggest, if you are already an expert in MLDL, then will discuss that part. Okay. Project Saklan Saeed, the project details our team will show you. Duration for Power BI internship will be around 2 to 3 months. This is not Datta Kamle. This internship is for academic students, not for showing experience. Okay. So I think most of the questions are redundant here. Data science internship is there, Pratiksha? Yes. I think course is free and you have to pay. Hemant, there is no course in this, sir. This program is only internship. Okay. Vinay Nalla, this is not a job offer, sir. This is just an internship. Okay. No stipend, Rupesh. Banga Sagar, yes, there is a project on full stack Java. Yes. Okay. So, guys, I hope you have taken, you have scanned this and registered. If you register, our team will get in touch with you and we will give you more details, specifically whatever you are requiring. Okay. Yes, Mallepalli Sneha, Java internship is there. Okay, guys, I have one small important announcement to make. Tomorrow, same time, if you guys can log in, okay, we shall give you a workshop on how the POCs will be and how the projects would be, more of from a data, since most of you guys are asking about data science, ML, DL, and all this. So tomorrow we'll show you a small demo on how the project development would be in data science or AI related projects. Okay. Shubham D, if you already completed DevOps and if you are already done with your academics, no point joining the internship. Okay. After the internship, do you make us taking companies for us? What do you mean? Write the question properly. So, guys, we are posting the link again and again. Just click on the link or scan this and register yourself so that we can call you back and explain you all the details. Okay. So I think I'm getting the same questions again and again. I think we can close it off. And anyone having any specific question, I'll wait for the next 2 minutes, guys. Alok, you can type the message. Ashok, yes, you can start your internship now. If you all Rajesh Barik, if you already completed, then no point. If you already complete MCA, no point doing internship now. Okay. Shravanti, you are interested in data analytics as you completed. It's up to you, ma. If you want, you can take it. Program related to Microsoft Office. No, Ayushi. We don't have such basic internships. Uh, Huzaifa Habib. On the screen, we are displaying the QR code. Ma, you can scan it. Pawan Pradhan, this internship is for people who are who are studying, sir. If you are in BCA second year, you can very happily do the internship. Okay. CH Chaitanya, yes, you can do the internship on Python EDA, sir. Samir Mohanty, regarding job opportunities, no, there is nothing as it is like, we are promising, but if you are doing well, you can get some opportunities. That's it. But we don't promise any placements. This is only for internship, guys. There is WebEx notification on QR code. Okay. BCom students can do this internship program. Yes, Ayushi, you can do. Oh, guys, our admin team, can we stop this? I think, yeah, it's disturbing them. Yeah, I cleared it, guys. You can see it.
Sir, Murthy sir, thank you so much for your kind responses to everybody actually. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Lenu. See you on.
Let me take a control. Team, this is really great, to connect with you. And, we are happy to share one more, good point with you. Tomorrow at the same time, we would have a discussion, but tomorrow we will show you what kind of projects we are going to, a kind of some one technology we can take it, kind of some data science, and how the flow, what kind of projects we are doing, what are the steps wise we are going to help you. I hope, kindly please join for tomorrow's session as well. It will be really great helpful for you. Thank you so much for joining for today's session. If anyone having any questions, kindly please connect with us, and we will have a one-to-one discussion with our admin team. Actually, it will be really great helpful for you. I hope today's session it will be helpful for you. Am I right? Can I get a response from anybody? Thank you, Bhumika boss. Thank you. And yes, Ashwini, thank you for responding. Sivanarayana.
Yes, Susan, tomorrow also same link. You can continue with the same link.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. It's the right time for logout actually, and thank you everybody actually. Yeah, thank you for joining. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you. See you tomorrow.